I'm doing an unboxing today. This package came from Fritz Meier in Germany. He sent this all the way over to California for me. And I'm really looking forward to seeing what's in here. So let's get this open and see what he sent. Oops. Put the knife away so I don't hurt myself. Oh, wow. Okay, he really wrapped things up. Let's see. There's all kinds of things in here, so let's see. Trying to figure out what's the best way to open these. Let's see. He wrapped these really well. Well, I can see that everything made the trip apparently very safely because everything is wrapped really well. The package held up in shipping really well, which is always nice to see because, as many of you know, we can send things just here across the states and not have things go well. Well, this looks like it might be a custom, maybe not. Let's see. Oh, that's neat. That's a Racing Champions 65 Lincoln Continental. Wow, check that out. That is neat. I really like that. That's cool. Okay, let's see what the next... Hopefully I'll get better at opening these. Let's see, that is a matchbox. 1955 Chevy Bel Air. Oh, that's cool. That's really cool. 50 years of Matchbox. It looks like the front end is raised on it a little bit. Something about it is making me think that. That's cool. Got a piece of tape stuck to me. (1955) Cadillac Fleetwood Matchbox. Oh, look how... That's cool. Look how similar to the other one it is. Like the coloring and everything. I mean, I don't know enough about these, if they did these as a series or what, but that is neat. There's just something about the old classic cars that, like cars of today, as much as I like exotic cars and stuff, and you know, I watch a lot of YouTube videos of exotic cars, but no matter what, they still don't have that feel, that, I don't know, passion that the old cars had. This is cool. This is 65 Chevy Nova Gasser. And it's cool because it's done up in like a Hot Wheels box. That's great. I like that. That's really cool. That's cool. And I've got like all kinds of boxes that you put in here for padding that I can stick these in too. Oh, this is cool. This apparently goes in this Piranha Customs M&Ms Huh. Check this out. Oops. This is great. Check this out. It has M&M wheel covers. This is so cool. 71 Datsun 510 wagon. How cool is that? That is great. And Piranha Customs. Oh, gee. I'm just seeing all the stickers he's included in here as well. Man, Fritz, you got really carried away with this. You sent so much stuff. I've been excited, looking forward to seeing what he was sending. Oh, and I think he mentioned this. He didn't really tell me what he was sending. He just said he was sending some stuff. And we had talked about this one because I had customized one of these earlier. As I recall, it's an XV Racer is the name of it. And I've got like a couple different variations of it. And I'm going to do a few more. And he had this, and he wanted to send that one to me, which was really cool. I really appreciate that because, you know, you don't really come across them. There's so many Hot Wheels that are seemingly rare, but if you check eBay, there's, you know, like 500 of them at any given time. So, you know, they aren't really scarce. And then there's some that you just can't find no matter how much you really look for them. Oh, that's an old Matchbox, isn't it? Yeah. Hovering ham tipper. Yeah. That's cool. I've got this weird idea that I want to take some of these older castings and, like I've done with a couple other Matchbox earlier, I've redone the liveries on them to be more modern, but I've still kept it almost like a restoration in a way. While I'm looking at the time on the video, I need to, because of the way this thing records, I'm going to stop it for a second and then I'll start again. Be right back. And just like that, I'm back. Yeah, it's a weird little glitch I've run into recently on the camera where if I record too long, I believe it's when I push 15 minutes, but I'm trying to play it safe, the camera will just shut down. And so I don't want that to happen. So, oh wow, look at this. That's cool. What's that say? 1963 Cadillac Series 62. This is a Jada Toys. That's a beautiful Cadillac. That's really pretty. There's something about a Cadillac. They're just huge. When you're riding around in a Cadillac, it's not like a lot of other cars. I had a friend years ago who loved huge cars. And he lived in Vegas. And so we'd ride around in Vegas in whatever huge car he had at the time. And some of them were really beaters. Some of them didn't have air conditioning, which was brutal. Oh, wow, check this out. And some of them, the brakes were questionable to the point that we'd like be going in traffic and he'd put on the brakes and say, "Prepare to ram," which wasn't the most comforting thought in the world. What's this say on the bottom? Pro Innovation, Germany. That's cool. I wonder what scale that is. It's larger, but it's cool. Man, and that thing's mint. That is cool. And then the stickers. Look at, sheesh. National Hot Rod Association dedicated to safety. West Coast Customs. Oh, wow. Check it. Bus Junkie Slam. Team VW Ratfink stuff. I don't want no trouble. Wow, this is great, Fritz. Oh, wow. Look at all of these. How did you end up with all of these stickers? This is wild. Man, that's a boatload of stickers. Oh, geez, there's more down here. My God. These are great. Man, I can't get over this, Fritz. You just sent like a ton of stuff. Wow. Foos. All kinds of Ratfink stickers here. These are great. Check these out. How on earth did you end up with all of these, Fritz? Man. This is just a boatload of stickers. Santa Cruz. Wow, this is amazing, Fritz. Thank you so much for everything, Fritz. I truly appreciate it. And I'm going to have a lot of fun with some of these. This is cool. Thank you so much for sending these to me. Everybody, I hope you enjoyed this video. And again, Fritz, thank you very much. Hope you all stay safe and healthy out there, and catch you in the next one.